It looks like my dad's hair is getting long. Time to give him a cut. But hold on a second. This is not going to work. So traditionally, we use a newspaper and with a hole through it for the head. That's not going to cut it. Fortunately, I have the SAREAL professional barber cape with me. All right, so it has this nice fancy design like a true barbershop. Now this measures 56 inches in height and 46.8 inches in width. So let's go ahead and see how this would fit. Okay, here's what the inside looks like. Here's what the outside looks like. So it's connected through the neck using this, okay, this little lever system. All right, so let's go ahead and remove that and place it around my dad's. Okay, like that. All right, so here is what it looks like down the length. All right, so this definitely long enough to cover partial leg. My dad is about 5 feet tall. So, but in addition to that, it also has this very nice neck duster brush, very smooth material. So when we are done with that, we're gonna brush all the hair away. Now, this is a waterproof cape, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, my dad asked for a low fade, so we're gonna start with a 1. I'm gonna blend it in. It's definitely collecting the hair. See, it's dispelling it. So I did notice a little defect. It's supposed to, this should be reversed and meet this, but because it's inverted or upside down, you have to do like this. You see how that's twisted it? So because my mom knows how to sew, we just want to simply remove the yarn and then flip it over and then just sew it back on. But it's very easy fix. And it's now my turn for my cut. Gina? Okay, Dad, I'm done. All right, look at that. That's pretty nice fade, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and dust off the hair. See, very nice brush. Look at that. Very nice fade. You see all the hair is now on the ground because the cape really helps it, see? So if you're looking for the perfect barber cape, definitely give the SAREAL brand a look. I think you guys would be amazed by how awesome it works.